This 2025 Winnebago Adventurer 36C is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 37 feet 3 inches in length and features sleep 6, refrigerator, awning, microwave, air conditioning, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, smoke detector, TV, water heater, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front bath, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2025 Winnebago Adventurer 36C is built on a F53 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.